Today I am gonna show you top 5 video editing apps for Android. Like, share, and subscribe my channel. The first one is VN Video Editor app. It has chroma key, humanized interactive feature. Most cool special effects. Keyframe animation, masking. Free font styles, various music beats, cinematic filter LUT. This is a best video editor, try it once. The second one is KinMaster app. I have already done video upon this app. Most cool special effects. Keyframe animation, masking. Free font style, various music beats. Cinematic filter. It has a chroma key feature. This is good video editor. Try it. The third one is Filmora Go app. It has a creativity simplified. 1000s of featured musics. Speed control. Video editing. Fonts and text animation. Pro effects, FX, cool stickers. Cinematic filter, and templates. This is Pro Video Editor, you should try. The fourth one, Adobe Premiere Rush. It is a premium app of adjust speed, slow, fast the video and audio, sound effects, title transition, pan and zoom fail, automatically reframes, combine multiple clips, shoot, edit and share in social media. Pro app. The last, fifth one is the Backup Video Editor app. It has keyframe animation, professional transition, curve toning, best and many template, FX plugins, Hollywood style editing of chroma key features. Thanks for watching.